Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Charis Mahako, 45 years old, married with 2 kids, age 21 and 18. I have 6 brothers and 4 sisters. I am sixth child of the family. I live in Kawayan City and I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Singapore. I serve 3 person, 1 couple, and 1 child, age 2 years, and I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, and taking care of the child. And I work in Hong Kong for 2 employers. I serve 4 person, 1 adult, 3 children, age 18, 12, and 8. And I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, and washing. And I send the kids to their activities. And my second employer, 1 couple and 1 child, newborn. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, marketing, and washing, and taking care of the child.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will check her temperature first, and I will let the employer know that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest and trustworthy.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family, I want to work abroad for my children and for my better future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother or my mother-in-laws.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my job and I will remind myself that I need this job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep when my work is done around 10 p.m. and I wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will talk to her nicely, make him calm, and make his calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And I want to extend if needed.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, sir. And I'm willing to learn more.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
The wheel on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, sir, ma'am. If you hire me as your helper, I can do all my best that I can serve you. Thank you.